C Corps for law firm owners are typically a terrible idea. Here's why. First, you are double taxed on your earnings. So you are going to have to take a reasonable salary. This is going to be a requirement. If you don't, the IRS is coming out after you. You're going to get taxed on that. Then all the taxes, all the income there, all the profit that stays inside of the corporation is going to get taxed again. Now, you may think to yourself, well, that's fine. It's going to get taxed at a lower rate because it's the corporate tax rate. It's 21%. The problem is when you take the dividend, when you take the money out, it's going to get taxed again. So you're going to pay tax twice. You don't just get to pay tax one time like you do if you have an S Corp, for example. You take your reasonable salary, then the profits come out, you pay income tax on it, and you're good to go. With the corporation, you're going to pay income tax when it comes out. If you keep it in, you're going to pay tax at the corporate level. And then when you take your dividend, you're going to pay income tax on it again. You may think to yourself, well, I'll just leave it in the corporation. It'll get taxed 21% one time and it'll be great. The IRS has thought of that. There's this thing called the accumulated earnings tax. If you accumulate too much retained earnings inside of your corporation, the IRS will tax you and penalize you for doing that. So stay away from a C Corp. It's just not necessary. It's not helpful. It's not great. LLC until you make about 100K in profit, then switch to an S Corp. You're good to go. See ya.